A broken window symbolizes your fragility and weakness. I had already mentioned this in the previous video, the beginning of this art piece. It means that there is nothing to protect you and your own invisible protective shield is damaged in a way. It usually means that you are either preoccupied with taking care of things around you that you neglect your own well-being, of which most people find themselves doing this. They want to be superhero to everyone and they neglect themselves. A broken window suggests that you should take time for yourself and start repairing your protective aura. Start thinking about yourself. Yeah.